Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is what is inside? Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ashanti, but you can call me Shanti for short. So today I'm bringing you an unboxing video type of thing. Yeah, we're gonna call it an unboxing for now. I haven't decided what I'm gonna name it yet. It's gonna be an unboxing of something that I purchased for myself. And I'm also going to tell you all how I purchased this particular item, being that it is an item that is not available on the website. It's not available anywhere but the trick that I'm going to tell you all about. So yeah, if you all are interested in seeing me unbox my, I don't even want to tell you all what it is yet. Like, I kind of want you to just be surprised, you know. So if you're interested in seeing this unboxing and hearing some secrets and some tips on how to get your hands on items that are sold out, then I don't like that. So if you're interested in learning how to get your hand on some items that may be sold out, and if you're interested in seeing what I have in this box that's not open, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, I'm so excited. Like, this I'm so excited. So I have been wanting a small leather good. If you're a real fan, you already know what this bag's about to be. I've been wanting a small purse. Right now I have been carrying a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and if anyone's watching this that has a Neverfull, you know that is like the worst bag for your shoulders. So now that bag has like kind of turned into like my school bag, so I kind of like keep all my school stuff in there. And I've been carrying a 25 Speedy. Now the Speedy is, I don't like bags that you have to carry like that. Like, I kind of want something that I can just swing on my arm and look real cute, like small. And it's crazy because I'm normally a big bag girl. Like, I like really big bags because I have a lot of stuff. And it's weird that I made this purchase and have even been wanting a smaller bag, but I just feel like now, yeah, I'm just over the big bag thing. Like, I got back problems now, not to mention shoulder issues. Like, it digs in your skin. It's too much. So I made a purchase. Y'all, I'm so excited, and I've waited to open this on camera because I wanted to do an authentic unboxing and review. So let's just jump into like the actual bag itself, right? Are y'all ready? Because I know y'all are, girl, shut up. Shut up. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so you get a file. Okay, y'all, so wait, I just want to show y'all this. Like, this is so cute. So cute. So you get a little file that says Fashionfile. My camera is really like, we're gonna try this again. There we go, it's better. And it says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Okay, period. Cause me too. Y'all, look at this confetti. Look at this confetti. It's confetti. Okay. I don't need that everywhere, but who cares? I'll get it up later. Okay, so when you go into it, you have a thank you card. And it's just the Fashionfile thank you card. And then you also have an envelope with all of your information, receipts, and everything inside of it. Put that there. No, I'm not gonna put that there. Okay, so I'm just trying to get to the goods, baby. Get to the goods. Okay, I'm gonna put the box down. So this is it. And the sticker used is the new. Okay, period. So one thing that I was sad about when I got the package, I don't have a box. I mean, it's okay, but I typically like to have the boxes from like my designer products, just because I like to keep the boxes because they're always so fucking nice. So, y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I don't want to rip it. I'm nervous. I'm not nervous. I'm just excited. Okay. Moment of truth, you guys. Moment of truth. She's so pretty. She looks brand new. She is brand new. She is so pretty. Yeah, she's brand new. Like, look at this strap. She's brand new. She's brand new, y'all. She is brand new. Okay, dust bag over in the bag. So I do have a dust bag. These are just like, this are in the pocket. This is what the inside looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it smells so fucking new. It smells so fucking good, y'all. That new, it's just something about new leather. I'm speechless because I'm just amazed at this. I'm amazed at how brand new this bag is. This bag hasn't even been used. This bag hasn't even been used. Like, this is a brand new bag. So this is the Louis Vuitton monogram pochette accessoire, and I've been wanting this bag for so long. Like, I've been wanting this bag for a really long time, you guys. And like I said, it is completely sold out online. It's completely sold out online. And I got my hands on it, y'all. I got my hands on her, and I cannot be. So like, this is, I'm like really like impressed. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. Like, even her straps are brand new. Whoever sold this bag didn't carry it. They didn't carry it. There's no way they carried it. There's no way they carried it. Even the vachetta is like, the vachetta on this bag is perfect. It's like it's brand new. So this bag does retail $630, but like I said, I did pay over retail for it. And on Fashionfile, you know, they have this same bag priced at $1,500–$1,600, and it's only because you can't find it anywhere. I think I got a pretty good deal, especially considering the condition that my bag is in. Like I'm telling y'all, y'all can see, y'all see the vibes. She's brand new. She is brand new, and I cannot wait to freaking carry her. Like, I feel like I just love it. I can't wait to put my stuff in her and start carrying her. So it does say made in France. This is actually my first made in France piece. They say that the pieces made in France are supposed to be made better. So we'll see. We'll definitely see. I'm just overall so excited. I'm so happy. Like, I just got a brand new bag. I got a brand new bag. That's like used, but it's brand new. It's brand new. Nobody has used this. I know whoever sold this, Shawty didn't use it. Sis did not use this bag at all. There's no way. So they have this tag on here. So this tag is to remove the tag on the bag, okay? Like, we can cut this all the way off. I am so happy. I am so happy, y'all. Or I can't wait to wear her and style her. I can't wait. I'm just so happy. Like, this is amazing. So there is a company called Fashionfile, and if you are familiar with Fashionfile, then you already know the tea, honey. But Fashionfile is a consignment shop where you can buy and sell items. Well, high-end luxury authentic items. So I'm very familiar with Fashionfile, but this is my first actual purchase for myself. I do want to say something else about Fashionfile, y'all. They have so much. They have purses, belts, shoes, sunglasses, wallets, jewelry. They got Rolexes, y'all. They have Rolexes. Everything's 100% authentic. And one more thing, y'all. They have something called a layaway program. So some of the items, like if you see something you want, it may be able to be put on layaway, considering depending on if it's new or old. So some items are too new to be put on layaway, and it'll say like, oh, in 5 days you can put this on layaway for such amount of dollars. I think that's freaking amazing, because for someone that's into high-end and luxury items, I do feel like some things are a bit much. So maybe you don't want to splurge and spend all that money at one time. You can put it on layaway. Fashionfile typically has things, you know, they have everything, really. They have everything, honestly. And when I saw this on there, I immediately got it. Like, I didn't hesitate. I didn't take a second. I looked at the condition and I was just whatever. On the website, I'm going to show you my particular bag that I bought. It says sold, so you kind of have to like look at it outside of that because it's in my lap. But I am going to read you so when you go on Fashionfile to look at a bag, it shows you the bag and it has different conditions for the bag. My condition was excellent. So my bag was in excellent condition, which means item is clean and contains very little wear. Any notable flaws or signs of wear are stated in the listing. So on Fashionfile, like I said, it gives you different conditions. For me, I'm probably gonna pick very good, excellent, or new, just because those are gonna be the ones with the least amount of wear and tear and the ones that look the least used. Okay, all right y'all, that is it for this unboxing video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I know I sure did. Okay, because just one more time. Alright guys, make sure to comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you'll always be notified when I post a video. Like, who wouldn't want to know that? Like, don't you want to know when I post stuff? Right? I know. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.